Hi students, chemistry is easy when we understand. Let us understand displacement reaction, third kind of reaction today. We are seeing a series of types of reaction. Today we will be seeing displacement reaction, third kind. What is the reaction about? A plus BC. A is an element, reacts with a salt, gives you AC salt and B element. So A element replaces B element. Okay. In the salt, B is replaced by A. Element A replaces B from the salt and element B is released out. Okay. So this is called displacement reaction. Let us understand with example. Zinc plus copper sulfate. What will be the product? Yes, you are right. So it is zinc sulfate plus copper. Copper, see, element B. This is element B which is released out. Right? Right. Now, iron plus copper sulfate. What is the product? We have iron sulfate plus copper. Again, copper is released. Then we have ZnHCl. What would be the product? Any guess? ZnCl2 because zinc has valency 2. So ZnCl2 plus what is the other product? Hydrogen gas. Let us balance the equation. Yes. Then we have sodium chloride plus fluorine gas. Okay. So what is the product here? We have NaF plus Cl2 gas. Okay. Cl2 gas. So it is 2 times. Since sodium is 2 times. So here also it is 2 times. So we have to balance the equation. Let us try another equation. Sodium fluoride plus chlorine. Will there be a reaction? We need to understand why there is no reaction between this, where when we have NaCl plus fluorine, it replaces, okay, fluorine replaces chlorine from the salt. But why chlorine does not replace fluorine? So let us understand this first, understanding the definition clearly. The reaction in which more reactive element displaces less reactive element from its salt solution. So that is displacement reaction. The key word is more reactive element displaces less reactive element. Okay. More reactive, less reactive. So the reaction in which more reactive element displaces less reactive element from its salt solution. Why here there is no reaction? Fluorine is more reactive than chlorine. So chlorine cannot displace fluorine from the salt. Right? Chlorine, since it is less reactive, it cannot displace fluorine. But in this case, fluorine is more reactive than chlorine. So it displaces chlorine from the salt. Okay? And it forms sodium fluoride easily. So here the key word always we have to remember, more reactive element displaces less reactive element. Let us do some test. We have 3 questions for test here. Right? What is that? Zinc plus AgNO3. What is the product? It's the easiest of all. Just replace one metal. This is metal means replace the metal with that term. ZnNO3. Okay. So it is twice, since zinc is twice Ag. That's it. So again we need to balance the equation. So the equation is balanced. Then we have magnesium and HCl. So what I'll have? Magnesium chloride plus H2 gas. We all remember that metal reacts with acid to displace hydrogen gas. See, it displaces hydrogen gas. Lead plus copper chloride. What is the product? We will get PbCl2 plus copper. Copper is displaced. Okay. So what we have understood, we have seen 2 equations. So this is previous class test. Decomposition reaction is opposite of combination reaction. Today we have seen the third equation, that is displacement type. Remember, this decomposition reaction is opposite of combination reaction. Thank you. Keep smiling. That's all for today.